kinds of tracks. Tapos, ayun, we developed on them, yung ibang tracks hindi pa finish, we talked about it kung paano yung direction, and we came up with these 6 tracks. Some of them are remakes of the of original tracks way back, few years back. Tapos some of them are originals. There are 2 remakes
Yes.
and 4 originals, 4 original tracks.
3 remakes.
3 remakes.
Yes.
3 remakes.
Mm.
And,
Sa kanya,
sa kanya,
Ewan and Annie Song.
Annie Song.
Tapos yung tatlo.
Tatlo naman is originals. The first one is yung first single, which is Ipapa Naman Na Lang. Tapos we have Panaginip, which was which was written by Sir Jimmy before that. Tapos the third one is Katang Isip naman, written by Nika De Los Llanos. Ipapa Naman was by Leo Priest, aka Jasper the Friend.
Yes, as you can see dito sa, ayan, ipapadaman na lang. It's all now available on Spotify for downloads and of course sa iTunes. And na-launch namin siya 2 weeks ago. Then we already shot also the music video. Sana mapapakita namin sa inyo pero kailangan pa kasi namin i-cover grade. Pero next week we'll launch the music video on Mix Premiere and of course bibigyan din natin siya sa MTV and other YouTube channels na meron ng Star Music and ABS-CBN. But this is the official single cover. And the next one, the first time nyo rin kayo makakakita nito, the official album cover of Mateo Vinicelli's debut album. Ayan yung first namin. So shot in Cebu by John Gonzalez, a friend of Mateo from Cebu. Yes, ayun. So,
Yung mystery lady mo?
ano bang naging trivia natin? Paano nagkaroon ng lady?
Well, basically, the whole album is my journey of love. So we handpicked the songs very, very carefully and made it. Every song is very relatable to me. It's my journey of love and my vision of love. Kumbaga. Especially Ipapadama Na Lang. It's sometimes you can't do or you can't say what you want to say or do. So I'm just gonna make you feel it. Kumbaga. So that's my concept of the cover. I'm holding a girl like really tight and making her feel how I'm feeling. Kumbaga. So that's how it came about.
Yes. Mystery Girl. Sino ba Mystery Girl sa buhay mo sa'yo? Mystery ka ba?
Meron ba bang
Yeah. Any questions from Push?
May slated release date na, and how did you paano mo napili specifically yung mga songs na yun, out of the many na pwedeng mag-express ng possible journey mo?
The 3 original songs, we sat down with Kid Wolf and Keo, another songwriter, and they presented different songs. And I said, "Wow, that's cool. This is cool. That's cool." And Sir Jonathan, we talked, and that's how we chose the original songs. Yung cover songs, I had a different cover song in mind before, but it turned out we did Ewan because it's a song written by Sir Louis Ocampo. He was a big part of the influence of this album also. And then Sir Jonathan chose You Filled Up My Senses. It's an old classic song. Heavy song. And we were discussing again, my duet dapat with Miss Reg, I had a different song in mind. And she was the one saying, no, let's sing this together sa kanya. And it's one of Sir Augie's songs. So
Personal choice na.
yeah, so Miss Reg chose it for the both of us. Kumbaga.
Yes.
First collaboration mo, Regine Velasquez.
Yeah.
God, how was it?
So cool. Until today, I can't believe. Like last night, I was listening to the mix he sent me, and I was just smiling the whole time. I was like, oh my god. And I called Sarah right away, and I said, you know, it's Miss Reg singing, and she's like, hindi mo ba na-realize? And hindi. Ngayon lang talaga. It's such a blessing. And when I heard the raw version of Miss Reg, it's so cool already. Like, it's not cool. It's just, I don't know what word can describe it. It's just, iba eh. I told Kid Wolf, I was like, oh dude, it's so cool.
There's something in there.
Yeah, it's so, yeah. Basta it's weird. It's really weird. It's very surreal. Yeah.
You mentioned that you recorded like magkahiwalay, right?
Yes.
Wala mong apprehension when you heard her voice na, di ba syempre, before recording, you heard her finish na?
Yeah, I heard her finish already. I was on the way, papunta na ako dun sa studio to see her, kaso lang na-stuck ko sa traffic. So natapos na siya at dumating ako, wala na siya. But we talked on the phone and she said, I hope you like what they did, gano'n. Then I called her after, like, I didn't like it, I loved it, what you did. And, basically, she opened the road for me, like, she gave me a big chance. Like, you know what I'm saying, she did not overlap me or anything. She gave me a big chance, like, in the track, so.
Kumbaga.
I really have to push. It was the hardest song to sing. Yeah,
Pressure.
it was the hardest song. But it's one of my favorite songs in the whole track. So sana next time, yung next music video yun na yun. Sana. Diba?
Sana. Sa kanya.
Sa akin.
Sa kanya yung desisyon. Anyway, let's also acknowledge the presence of Star Music All Contented, Mr. Jonathan Manalo, the brilliant Jonathan Manalo. Hello. Welcome to our Vloggers Con. And of course, yung sa sinabi niya kaninang specific date of release, we have a specific date on November 20, exclusive Spotify release. So, yung 6 songs, mapapakinggan na siya exclusive on November 20 sa Spotify for a week. The November 27 worldwide release of the digital album and physical album on November 27, same date. Same date with the worldwide release. So yun yung dates natin. November 20, Spotify, 27, worldwide and physical nationwide. And of course, yung kanina na dinidiscuss ni Mateo about, ano na ba yung question kanina?
Yung kung nag-adjust siya.
Okay na pala, sagot na pala. Akala ko di ko nasagot eh. Baka makasala sasagot. Other questions? Ay, yes.
Hey, wish you fine. From a Stigat page, Mateo. Tell us naman about the concert on the 28th.
Yeah.
Will be there like more love songs or will be dance songs or anong
But diba, I'm gonna show my Enrique Hillside. I'm gonna dance in the Tato. Joke. It's so November 28th is my first solo concert. I'm very excited that it's basically the whole concert's about love and just journey of love, you know, and a lot of love songs, a lot of upbeat songs also. And Mr. Martin Rivera, he was the one that wrote the whole show. He was one of the guests with Morissette. So, yeah.
will there be like special numbers with them?
Yes, there
Either or
are. We have 2 duet numbers with Morissette, and we have a long medley with Sir Martin Rivera.
Who's the
Frank Mamaril.
what's the number?
Second time, he directed Dream Boys also. The concert with the 2 other boys.
So how many songs in the playlist?
I think there's like 22, 25, 20 to 25 songs. So,
Will there be like something of a pasabog happening or may special guest ka na bigla from behind or?
wala. I just really want to focus on the music and the music I love to sing. So that's all I'm gonna talk about.
Thank you.
And of course, speaking of concerts, knowledge din po natin yung presence of the producers. We have here Miss Bernice Oyanco, Cecil Asprey, and Christine Jordan. Hindi po sila ang producers po ng MG1 concert. Bakit nga ba MG1, Matt?
MG1, because Mateo Riccelli won for my first. Like Tito Martin Rivera was the one who conceptualized the name also. He said, call your show MG1. So
Ganda na eh.
we did. So, parang racer na
Formula 1.
Yeah.
So pag nagka-do MG2.
MG10.
Tour mo kaya?
Next. Ano ba?
Sila na. Dito na.
Siyempre, nandito rin yung mga fans. Yung Mateo Diplomats, ang official fans ni...
Hi guys.
Hi guys. We have questions from NTV Pinoy. Yes.
Hi ma'am.
So how do you feel about your upcoming solo concert?
Very excited. At actually kanina nag-meeting kami with my musical director, Sir Marvin Quirido. Sobrang excited at kinakabahan at the same time. Sinasabi ko nga sa musical director ko, magsimula tayo mag-rehearse dahil gusto ko comfortable ako sa mga songs. So actually this Sunday is gonna start our first rehearsals. And I'm very excited and this is a whole different side of me I'm gonna show. But this is my first time in the music industry. So it's a whole new thing, and I'm very excited. Thank you.
Hindi sisiyo ka ba? Sisiyo ba? Kasi sabi mo channel na si Enrique. So,
Biro lang yan. Biro lang yan. Pangarap. Hindi. Biro lang yan. Yung totoo tayo sa Okay. Hindi ako sasayaw.
Di ba dancing naman with Kuya James before, di ba?
No naman. Never dancing. No.
Okay.
No?
Magano ka na kasi, mag-rehearse. Daw gusto niya. So,
Other questions?
what about original compositions?
No, we don't have one. No, in the album, no. Maybe in the next album.
Hindi offering.
Huh?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Next, ano ba?
Yeah. Like we were listening to one kanina, Kid Wolf, we wrote all together, and it's all just a piano track and just it's more ballady. Baka for the next album, we'll see. Not for this one yet.
Pwede ka mag-rap? Pati pwede ka mag-rap.
Subukan.
Kasi yung forma kasi ni Mateus.
Try.
Suggestion.
So may questions pa? Yes, sir.
Then from WhatsApp.ph.
Yes, of course, I remember.
So I know this is Star Music, but is there any chance na magkaroon kayo ng collaboration with, let's say, Viva Music, na magkaroon kayo ng, like, even a track with
Naman na.
SG, with Sarah?
Sinegway pa, diretso na natin.
Hindi ko saan niya manggaling.
Actually, sir, ano ko na lang din. As much as possible, we want to work it out. Pero, Viva artist po kasi talaga sin. Alam naman po natin na label to label, mahirap talaga. Even ABS-GMA, di ba, mahirap. So with label, mahirap din talaga pong ipaalam sa management. And of course, yun nga, sabi nga ni Mateo, yun nga, yung Mateo, like yung what you said sa press ko na about work, Mateo siguro sa'yo na magaling.
Yeah, I wanna, especially when I'm entering the music industry now with my first album, I wanna do it on my own. I don't wanna, yeah, she's my girlfriend, but I don't wanna ride on her. You know, I wanna do this on my own music, our own music, and yeah, so go my own, diba? So maybe in the future.
Maybe on the second one?
Para just may abangan pa.
Yeah.
1 or 2 years.
So, how about like collaborating with like foreign producers? Like other groups have done it, like they have collaborated with the foreign producers in terms of the different type of music. So,
Mag-local muna tayo. No, we have incredibly local, super duper talented local producers like Kid Wolf. Kid Wolf is known to be one of the kings of EDM, electronic music. He's a DJ, so my basically the whole album is like, I'm an old soul. I really like old music. So we brought in the old, and then he brought in the new. Kumbaga, there's a lot of electronic stuff. So yeah.
especially with Annie's song, yeah, that's kapanahonan ko yun.
Yeah.
That's very old, yeah. So you like the old sentimental songs?
Yeah, but I really like the old. That's why they gave me Kid Wolf to make me younger.
But it's a very interesting fusion actually. Parang, for example, for the case of Annie's song, we got some elements, some mga bagong elements are being used right now, pero we made sure na we respected what the old, what the original was. Kumbaga kung ano yung core niya, we respected that. We just added some elements lang na bago. Something more updated to what we have right now.
Kid Wolf is one of the best EDM DJs.
Actually, for everyone's reference, si RB din po nang-produce na rin ng singles or songs for Tony Gonzaga, si Give Me 5, Enchong. Yun yung mga some of the artists na albums na na-produce ni Kid for Star Music.
Sounds exciting. So kung marinig yung track mo.
Yung Annie's song.
Actually, we have a surprise for you guys. This is not just Vloggers Conference. This is also an exclusive listening sessions of the songs na mapapakinggan natin. Yung lahat ng sing songs ni Mateo. Kayong unang-unang makakarinig. Kaya, congratulations. Ito na, si RB ang mag-ano sa atin.
I'll just play it through my
So we'll just
snippets.
let you listen to